Hello, everybody. In today's video, what I got for you is a quick one. I just wanted to talk about this new trucking law in case you haven't heard about it, get my own opinion on it. Donald Trump has done an executive order for making it required that all truck drivers have to be able to speak, write, and read English fluently in order for them to keep their trucking career. All right. So, of course, we have foreigners that, also drive around the U.S., but if they can't speak fluent English, then they will get pulled over and put out of service. I said foreigners, but at the same time, even if might be one or two people out here that's born in America that having the same issues. You know what I'm saying? This happened in April. It was it should be taken into, or it should be made into effect June 25th, I believe. So you still got some time for people that, ain't all the way there, might be questioning themselves as far as their English or whatever. You still got some time to go ahead and, you know, pick that up. Because they got a situation where, as far as if you get pulled over by DOT, which, all that stuff would be random, but they could pull you over, talk to you to make sure that you speak fluent English, and then they might end up doing like a second test to where they make you do look at road signs and stuff like that to make sure that you can read the road signs. So yeah, I mean, as far as my opinion on it, I don't see that there's anything wrong with it, but at the same time, I do see like potentially me getting pulled over, and then I'm just sitting here talking to DOT, and it's just more of a time waster. That's the biggest effect I feel like it's going to have on me in particular. Maybe some of y'all feel differently in the comments, but yeah, let me know in the comments if you do feel differently. But yeah, other than that, man, this really ain't going to be affecting most of us. I would say like the large majority of us, this really won't do anything for us, except if people start doing like random pullovers like at the scales to make sure you speak English. And then they also want to go ahead and just like, oh, while you're here, let's go ahead and do a quick inspection. You know what I'm saying? Now we're gonna do a full inspection on you, as well as just making sure that you speak English. Then it's like, all right, man, y'all going a little too far. How about y'all not do that? You know what I'm saying? that might mess some people up right there. So yeah, y'all gotta let me know, man. Apparently this is already started in Oklahoma. As far as the actual fees, the fines, I don't know how much they'll be. I couldn't see anything that was accurately displaying that. So I'll have to look and see if I can find something a little more about that particular part of this situation later, do an update. But apparently, from what I saw so far, it could be like thousands of dollars. If you get put out of service, you get fined thousands of dollars. Your company that hires you is going to get fined as well, probably more than you get fined. That's how it usually goes. So, like I said, overall, pro- more than likely will make the roads safer. So, with that being said, I can't really say anything against it, right? So y'all let me know. Will this affect you? How will it affect you if well, I'm saying if, but when this actually goes through? So yeah, let me know in the comments. I'll see y'all in the next video. If you don't feel like waiting for my next video to come out, you can check out this video up here. I don't know what it is. It's something that YouTube recommends that you should watch. So check that out. In the meantime, I'll see y'all later.